Have you ever had a moment when your car radio suddenly stopped working after changing the battery or fixing something? It can be really frustrating, believe me. But don't worry, you're not the only one experiencing this problem. Let me explain what's happening. Many car radios have a special security system to prevent theft. It's a clever feature, but sometimes it can accidentally lock you out of your own radio. But guess what? We've got a simple solution for you. In today's video, we're going to show you how to unlock your car radio and get your stereo working again. The best part is, you don't need to know a lot about technology or spend any money to do it. That's right. This method is completely free and anyone can do it. So let's get started and fix your car radio together. So the next step is to access the following website, where you can retrieve the unlock code for your car radio. You can retrieve your radio code for free through a simple procedure, but in order to get it, you need to find the VIN number of your car. To find the VIN number of your car, simply look for the corresponding boxes on the vehicle registration and licensing certificate. The VIN is on both sides of the document. The VIN number can also be found on the car window or other parts of the car. Once you find the VIN number of your car, you only need to complete a simple form with the car model, VIN number, and a valid email address. You will receive the radio code via email. You will receive an email like this. Now you only need to enter the unlock code and your car radio will work again. I hope this video was helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.